God is the one that got curious. He wanted to know more. And this is when it all began. He burst out in all directions. Now, some people call this the Big Bang theory. When all the particles flew out in all different directions, some of those particles became galaxies, some of them became universes, some of them became planets, and the majority of them became your own individual soul. That's where you all began. When I take people back to what they really, really are, they always see themselves as a tiny little spark of light. That's what you really are, this tiny little spark of light that flew out whenever it burst out. And when he did this, he said, "Go, my children, and